Have you been shopping for the holidays? And if you have, are you shopping for someone that likes to polish their own nails? Well, I've got a product for them. It's called FingerSpills. This product was developed by my mother-in-law and I. It holds 6 bottles of nail polish securely, as you can tell. And you can even put your nail file and your nail art tool here too. It has a place for your hand, and it'll catch any drips or spills and keep it off of your clothing and your furniture. It has a tilt option on the polish, so when your polish gets low, you're able to get to the last drops of your favorite polish. It has a hard base. This hard base sets us apart from our competition. Our competition, you basically have to set it on the table and you have to put your polish in. Ours, you can take anywhere. You can sit in the chair and set it on your lap. You can paint your nails in bed. It's pretty handy for anyone that paints their own nails. Come here, I want to show you our cute designs. We have several cute designs. The design I was working with is called Sweetheart. Then we have Sunflower Girl. This is Glam on Camo. Just Another Day in Paradise, and Wild and Pretty. All these designs come with as a gift set. As shown here, there's a little packet on the front. It includes toe separators, a nail file, and nail decals. Makes a really cute gift for the holidays. Happy holidays.